Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roasted black pepper chicken wings. Hope you like it. Chicken wings can be said to be the favorite of every child. Eating chicken wings means flying high and becoming successful, which is especially suitable for being on the New Year's Eve table. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just chicken wings. Wash and cut chicken wings into 3 sections. Cut open drummer to ease of absorbing flavor. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper salt, grind black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon Shoshing wine, 1 teaspoon flour. Mix and fridge at least 30 minutes to marinate to taste. Line aluminum foil on baking plate and drizzle cooking all on top. Drizzle cooking all on chicken wings. Arrange chicken wings on baking plate. Roast chicken wings into 220-degree 20 minutes. Flip chicken wings after roasted for 20 minutes. Roast chicken wings to 120 degrees 10 minutes. Wow! Chicken wings smell so good! Golden brown roasted chicken wings looks so appetizing. This roasted chicken wings recipe is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Beta. Existing studies have shown that piperine compounds help promote the body's absorption of nutrients such as iron and beta-carotene. Other studies have found that black pepper essential oil can promote gastrointestinal motility, stimulate gastric acid secretion, and help relieve discomfort such as indigestion, constipation, and bloating. Black pepper is considered one of the best substitutes for salt. Excessive intake of salt in the diet can damage important organs such as the heart and kidneys, increase blood pressure, and thus increase the risk of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases such as coronary heart disease and stroke. Black pepper is spicy, or more precisely, it tastes spicy and fragrant, but it is different from chili peppers. Chili peppers are more spicy, while black pepper has a richer taste. It is not just spicy, but more spicy. The spiciness of black pepper is relatively mild, which most people can accept. Chicken wings are rich in vitamin A, which can promote vision, epithelial tissue and bone development, and promote human growth and sperm production. Chicken wings are also rich in protein, which can maintain sodium-potassium balance and reduce swelling. They can treat edema caused by malnutrition, improve the body's immunity, promote growth and development, regulate blood pressure, and relieve anemia. They contain copper, which is beneficial to the development and function of the human central nervous system, immune system, hair, skin, bones, heart, brain, liver, and other organs. Chicken wings contain a lot of fat. Excessive intake can easily lead to obesity. In the eyes of many people, chicken is white meat with little fat and low energy, so people who need to lose weight can eat it without worrying. In fact, the fat and calories in different parts of the chicken vary greatly. Some parts need to be controlled in intake, otherwise they may also bring the risk of obesity. For example, chicken wings contain a lot of fat. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.